Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Audible by phone or live chat. So basically, I'm on Google Chrome and I've accessed Audible. I've gone into my account, and on here on the top right, there's the help button. And then from there, instead of actually contacting Audible directly straight away, I would go in here and actually type in your query, whether it was about credits. You could type this in and then press search, and then you'll find many different articles about credits and how they work. But if you're experiencing a problem and you've typed it in and you cannot find any solution, then what you can do is actually scroll all the way down here and go to Contact Us. And up at the top in the red bar, it says we are currently experiencing high call volumes and wait times may be longer than expected. But down here it says Contact Audible Customer Service. What would you like help with? You can select if it's about your membership or your account, returns and billings, something else. I'm just going to select membership, pick an option closest to your issue, cancel membership, and then it's going to give you some more information about how to cancel the membership. But down here, if nothing is helping and you need to speak to someone at Audible, then you come to the chat option or the phone option and you can press chat. It's going to open up this window right here and bring up the live chat customer service, and you can start interacting with that. I'm going to click out of there, but you can also go down to the phone section, and I've just had to log into my account, and it lets you access this page after you log in. Talk with Audible's customer service. Country, I'm in the UK, and then my phone number, you can type that in and then press call me now, and someone from Audible will contact you. So guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below as well. Thanks very much.